The Romans were very, very good plumbers. Very lucky to be here. See.
Barri.
Grazie amici. Good morning.
Good morning.
Polizzi Generosa. We are both pretty tired today. Polizzi.
Polizzi Generosa.
Look, I still can't even say it. It's an early morning again. It's hot already in the city. Let's get out of these walls.
Yeah.
How you feeling today?
Tired.
Same.
Very tired.
But we're good. We're ready to smash out another day. I'm heading into the Madonie National Park today. Might even see some other hikers, some other people exploring. Let's go. Check out this. A water duct, a Roman water duct. The Romans were very, very good plumbers. The water would flow across the top in a little channel and go all the way to town, thus creating life. You don't drink, you don't eat, you don't cheat, you die. We've lost the trail. Seems to be a bit of a major road, this road. Lots of people driving down it this morning, or up it. That's an old mate from town. Super nice, huh?
So good.
Super nice to be in the forest. Wow, and what a beautiful forest it is. We just asked a lovely gentleman who works for the park if we could camp in the park, and he politely declined and said no. I kind of had that feeling. I'd read online that people do it. I hiked some remote parts of this park where I think you could probably get away with it. And of course we're respecting nature. We're taking everything with us. We're leaving no trace. We're not having a fire. We're setting the tent up after 8 o'clock and packing it away well before 7 a.m. But we'll see how we go. We don't want to break too many rules, but if we leave no impact, I don't really see the problem with it. It's nature, man. Nature's free. Can't bloody put a cost on that, can ya? Well, you can, clearly. I probably stated this before, but the Madonie National Park is a geopark. It's a geological park, which means it's got lots and lots of interesting things in it. And it's actually UNESCO. And scientists and many archaeologists and all sorts of people come out here to look at the different flora and fauna that are in this park, special to Sicily. Only found in this park on Sicily, nowhere else in the world, which is very, very amazing to think. And again, very lucky to be here in the morning with this beautiful view of trees. Speedy Edie today.
Speedy Edie.
She wants this shit done. We get higher and higher.
Woo!
The view keeps getting better and better. Straight uphill, then straight downhill. That's all today is, really. But hopefully we see some wild pigs, some more deer. There's some rare bird life up here too, which would be cool to see. And I think we pass, maybe not today, but one of the days we pass some giant holly trees that are estimated to be thousands of years old, or 8,000 years old. So yeah, that would be cool, won't it?
Yeah.
Trees. Everyone loves trees.
Holly trees.
And there she sits, Polizzi Generosa, perched upon its cliff top. Wow, you can really see the change and vastness in the environment. It's green and lots of forest here, and then you look in the distance, more barren wheat country, as we discovered the last 3 days. Castellana Sicula sits behind the mountains over there. Oh, we just followed this road all the way up and then split off. And now we're here.
Here we are.
Here we fucking are. Same thing might happen. Got this rugged spine. Amazing place. Woo-woo! There's Edie over there. Hey Edie. You having a good time?
Sorry?
You having a good time? Yeah. They're now leaving that side of the mountain and traversing across, and then a little further up over a pass and then down into the valley on the other side. I'm looking forward to the rest at the top in another couple of kilometers. And so is Eden. She's speeding off. There in the distance sits Sanctuary dell'Alto, another place that was used for pilgrims and other people seeking respite. Ooh. Incredible. And over there, you can see the Santuario dell'Alto. I've decided to go and explore the sanctuary up there. Let's go check it out. Still in awe though of this magnificent place where we are. It's just beautiful.
Dove siete?
Vengo dall'Australia.
Australia?
Sì. Ti piace?
Sì, sì.
Sì, bello. Adesso
What did he say?
sì.
Barrito.
Barito.
Barrito.
Ok. Cosa fai oggi?
Oggi è chiuso qua.
Oh, ok. Tu lavoro qui?
No. Sono venuto con la macchina e ora me ne scendo.
Oh, ok. Wow. Lovely, nice man. I haven't done my research very much about this building, so I can't really tell you any history of it. But what I can tell you though is it's an amazing place up here. Well, that was fun. I enjoyed looking at it. Let's go back and meet Edie and keep going. The last little bit, get to town and go check it out, see what happens. It looks like a cool place, so I'm excited to have a beer and have a bit more of a rest. I don't know what we're going to do for tonight's accom, whether we do a sneaky little camp somewhere or whether we use the contact list that's provided by the Via dei Frati committee. It's all in Italian for those of you who are English speaking, but I got ChatGPT, I just transferred it in there and got it to translate it to English for me, and it works perfect. I've been using it as a guide for all the contact numbers and all the restaurants as well. There's agreements with restaurants in various towns that let you have a discount, so that's also kind of cool. And everyone else we've met and seen has been super friendly, super humble and friendly people, interested in where you're from, what are you doing, why are you here. So we've had a really good hospitable experience, as well as a very cultural and somewhat spiritual, I suppose. I'm not a religious person by any means, but you can definitely feel some sort of spiritual weirdness going to some of these buildings and some of these places which were on these trails thousands of years ago, with monks and pilgrims walking all through them. Bag's back on, ready to go.
Let's do it.
First, we need a selfie with the sign. We've been getting one every day, with a little trail marker. And I think today, this is our chosen trail marker. Really nice. Sort of dipping in and out of the sun. Wow, my head is fucking funky, bro. What the fuck? Sorry, just had to fix my hair. Arancini today?
Maybe, baby.
Yeah, we came from all the way up there and then scaled down this valley and made it to the dog farm. Our second one of the trip, actually. Remember they were all going crazy? It sounds like it's 1,000 dogs over there.
Sorry, I don't remember.
And you said, oh, I don't even want to look in there. Perhaps it's stray dogs, I'm not sure. We're going hitchhiking. Oh! Va bene, ciao, sono Tommaso.
Dove venite?
Dove venita? Vengo dall'Australia.
Australia.
Sì, Australia. Ah, you speak English too?
I speak a little.
A little, you speak very good English. Dove tu viva? In la città? In la campagna?
I live in Pedalia.
Ah, you live in town. It's a very nice town.
Paradise.
Yeah, Paradiso.
Paradise.
Sì. It is. We had a long way to walk still, didn't we? Pilgrims definitely would have hitchhiked if they could. Grazie, ciao.
Prego, prego, ciao.
That was so nice of that guy. We didn't even ask nor put out our thumbs to hitchhike. And he just stopped by and picked us up. And he took us to the bar, of course. It is time for a beer.
Nothing wrong with hitchhiking, guys.
She sucks down the spritz. Oh, cheers to hitchhiking. There's nothing wrong with it. decided to go up and have a look at this camping spot. So this is about it. This is where we're looking. Up the top of town, out of everyone's way. There's like a bar in here or something. This is the spot I thought we could camp, but we can't camp. There's so many spiky trees I don't even want to leave anymore. Then I'm gonna leave because I don't like it here. Okay, I'm gonna get this spike setup. All right, that spot was a bust. That spot was a total bust. It looked way better on Google Maps than what I saw. That was terrible. It was full of those little spiky bushes, and it wasn't flat and rocky, and it just wouldn't have been nice. I think Eden's actually got onto someone who also offers camping close by, so I think we might try and call him and see what happens. But for now, I'm thirsty as fuck. I don't really know where we're going or what we're doing, but we're going with Giorgio. He's taking us somewhere. How far?
Far.
Uh-oh. Let's work this one out.
Qui?
No,
No?
non è difficile, andiamo in camping amico.
Dov'è? Dov'è? Perché
Qua.
dobbiamo andare Gangi.
Grazie.
Spero di rivedervi.
Piacere Giorgio. Numero 1. Grazie amico. Grazie Giorgio.
Grazie Giorgio. Alla prossima.
Ciao ciao, piacere amico, piacere. Ah, grazie.
Ciao.
Ciao Giorgio. Giorgio, what a legend. Dropped us out in the middle of nowhere, questionably, probably further than what he would have dropped us maybe originally.
No, he showed me on the map. It was fucking ages away.
Okay, I trust you. I didn't see it.
Honestly, I was like panicking.
Where the fuck do we go now? You had to lay down the Italian foot.
I had to lay down the rules.
Aspetta.
He was taking us back the way we came.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. They're trying to help us. They're so sweet.
Yeah, they're so sweet. They're so
the
kind.
best.
I know someone will come. Yeah, no, for free. He was saying for free. He's like, no, you don't have to pay.
They're so sweet.
It's for free. Don't worry about it.
They're the best, the Italians.
Yeah,
I love
they're
them.
super hospitable people. Oh, we made it. This beautiful fountain. Look at that. Oh, fresh cold water. So yeah, it's pretty nice that we're here, huh?
Yeah, so nice.
So I think we're just gonna sit in this spot for maybe an hour or so next to the water, drink plenty of water, and then go down to the spot where the toilets are and have a peaceful night under the stars, which will be nice. We came from all the way over the top of that one, where you can see the building. Sanctuary right up top. Looks far from here.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Lucky we didn't go all the way back up there.
So we're going to camp here for the night.
Yeah.
Get up tomorrow. Walk the 3Ks from here to Petralia Soprano.
See?
Is it Sotana? No, Santana's the one we're in. I'm getting mixed up, man. Too many names the same.
Then to Ganji. It looks like a really cool place to explore, and I think we're going to probably maybe get there early so we get to dump our bags, have a look around the historic centre and explore a little bit.
I think so. But we're loving it. We're having a good time. Today we're a bit battered and bruised.
Yep.
Our feet were a bit sore.
My back is aching.
Eden's back. She's got a crook back to start with and then carrying her backpack.
It's not good. It's not good.
Nice to be up here. It's a fucking awesome spot. I think we're going to camp just on the other side of this picnic table here. There's a nice flat spot area. And of course, no fires or anything like that. And we'll take our rubbish with us. But for now, we're just going to chill, probably talk, maybe play some cards. And we'll set up the tent a little later. And continue eating these.
Oh, I won't be.
No, maybe I won't be either. I'm not sure. that is it from us today. Eden's already in the tent. And I'm about to hop in there because I am tired. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Hope you liked it. Leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think. Tomorrow, another big day on the trails. And of course, that means another episode of this journey. Number 5. Can't wait. Excited. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow.